Hi everybody, Rick from Tremor Outdoors, and today I am really stoked. We've got a package came in from our friends over at Custom Puddle Lights. The gang over there reached out to me a few weeks back and said that they really enjoy the build that we're doing on Fenrir here. And they had a concept for doing our puddle lights, which they said they would do a custom designed light for it. And I'm beyond excited. I saw the artwork that they did, took a really aggressive looking image of Fenrir and put it into this lens for projecting. So let's put it into the truck. It shouldn't take long. These puddle lights are pretty simple to install. So I'll try and show you how we do it, and then we'll see the after results. We simply pushed up into here and this pops out. There's a couple of spade connectors. You disconnect, connect the other one, pop it in, and that's it. All right, so we got in there with our little screwdriver, push that out. This comes down, there's your spade connectors, and we're just going to literally do a swap with this one here. Okay, so we've got the swap out done. Then you'll see this little wire piece. It fits into the two holes there, and that's how you adjust to rotate the image, and that will adjust it so it shows on the ground. Okay, you can kind of see how the graphic looks. It's pretty wild. In fairness, the lighting in here is horrible. It doesn't allow the light to show through properly, but at night that's going to look wild. All right, so that has the install done for the custom puddle lights. It is actually probably the easiest custom mod you're gonna do. It literally takes 5 minutes. It's not hard to do. And they have the little wire device here that you put in at the bottom and turn to align the design so you can get it to how you want it to look. Super impressed with these guys. They have really cool products. Check them out, custompuddlelights.com, and yeah, it's gonna make your vehicle look pretty wild. And the thing is that they can do, actually, I believe they said 3 different colors. So they took the design that I had, which was multicolored, and turned it into this. Super excited. So thanks very much to the crew at Custom Puddle Lights. Really appreciate you supporting the channel and our project. And folks, go check them out. They got some great stuff, and well worth it.